the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in, please sing the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary all night long, a little bit of Jessica, here I am, a little bit of you makes me your man.
Oh, dance not coming, courtyard crooked, eating cake boy, being stupid, buffalo going in the water. If you tiger me tiger and quarter, if you tiger me tiger and quarter. I'm feeling alright cause it's a nonsense-key night. 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 Come on!
Mambo number 5. Jump up and down and move it all around. Shake your hand to the sound, put your hands on the ground. Take one step left and one step right, one to the front and one to the side. Clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. And if it looks like this, then you're doing it. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary all night long, a little bit of Jessica, here I am, a little bit of you makes me your man. The trumpet. Mambo number 5.
The upcoming performance will fill the entire atmosphere with the feeling of patriotism. Our performance will make you remember our beloved motherland, Bharat Mata, and her sons, that is, the freedom fighters who shed their blood to make India free from clutches of slavery and exploitation. So we present before you a patriotic performance by our senior friends of 11th and 12th on the songs Manmohini Teri Ada and Vande Mataram.
खींची लकीरें रब ने तो ये तस्वीर बनी, आग हवा पानी को मिलाया तो फिर ये तस्वीर सजी। हस्ती तेरी विशाल हो, कुदरत का तू कमाल है। मनमोहिनी तेरी अदा तुझे जब देख ले तो फिर घटा घर से झर 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 नाच चमक चमक वो बिजली दीवानी है। बेमिसाल तू कोरी कोरी अनछुई तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई। मिट्टी
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे 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 मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता धुमदल शोभिनी शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता धुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे 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 मातरं।
I now request both the principal ma'ams, that is respected Balirao ma'am and respected Manisha Pawar ma'am, to kindly come on the dais and speak a few words to all of us.
Respected Trustee Sir, Honorable Principals, members of staff, dear students and parents, I thank you all for making this function a grand success. For last so many days, the teachers, students and even parents have worked very hard. So the school has decided to give some relaxation to the students, even to the teachers and parents. So from 24th December till 4th of January 2015, the school remains closed. On 5th of January, the school reopens. And students, one more thing I would like to mention, especially to all the people gathered here, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very happy and prosperous new year, that is 2015. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to all of you, respected Trustee Sir, principals, parents of PTA members, dear parents, and all my dear students. I hope that you all have enjoyed the evening. We are now towards the end, but a little announcement. Before I announce, as most of the times, every time Sir brings us on the stage and he thanks us, but dear parents and students, let me tell you, the driving force behind us, all principals will believe this, the driving force behind us is Neville Sir. Sir, we thank you for everything, and Sir basically I always think is a think tank, as he knows the ways, he goes the ways, and he shows the ways. Thank you, Sir, for showing us the ways. Dear students, an announcement for HSC students basically, the college will remain closed from 25th onwards, 25th to 28th, and 29th we will resume back for our work. Thank you very much, and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you.
Shreyas, do you know that recently we had the Kartiki Ekadashi, the sublime festival of Lord Vittal?
Oh yes, isn't it when the devotees go to Pandharpur to worship Lord Panduranga?
Exactly. They go chanting Vittala, Vittala all the way to the native place of Pandharinath, to his shrine, to take his blessings.
The very same group of Varkaris from 9C are now approaching on this stage to express their love and to pay homage to Lord Narayan.
So here comes their Wari, rejoicing and rejuvenating in the reverberating chants of Mauli, 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 Mauli.
अलंकापुरी आज भारावरी वसावारीचा घेतला पावला निया वाळवंटी तुझी सावली गळा भेट घेण्या भीमेची निघाली तुझ्या नाम घोषात इंद्रायणी भिडे आसमंती ध्वजा वैष्णवांची उभी पंढरी आज नारावली तुझे नाव ओठी तुझे रूप ध्यानी जीवाला तुझी आस गा लागली जरी बाप साऱ्या जगाचा परी तू आमालेकरांची विठू माऊली तुझी वाट रात्रंदिनी घेतला पावला निवसा टाळ घोषातून साध येते तुझी धावते वैष्णवाला दिशा ध्वजा वैष्णवांची उभी पंढरी आज नादावली तुझे नाव ओठी तुझे रूप ध्यानी जीवाला तुझी आस गा लागली जरी बाप साऱ्या जगाचा परी तू आमालेकरांची विठू माऊली